Hi, I want to show you how to turn off voicemail on iPhone. First way is to enable call forwarding instead of voicemail. So you can open up your settings, tap apps, and then find your phone app in the list. After that, you should see this option for call forwarding, so you may want to turn that on by toggle on the switch. So let's just wait a few seconds till we can see the switch here because it's loading right now. So now we can turn that on by toggle on the switch, tap forward to and enter phone number to which all of our calls will be forwarded. This is really helpful if you are planning to travel abroad, so you can just enter another phone number here so that all of your calls will be redirected to the needed phone number, and with this way disable voicemail. But to disable it fully, you need to find an open phone app, tap on the keypad and enter pound 004 and then pound sign again. Tap to call, and after that you should see here that setting deactivation succeeded. In my case, I can see failed because I didn't set up voicemail, so I can see here failed, but in your case you should see here marking succeed. And if voicemail remains active, after all, your service provider may not support this disconnect function via code. In that case, contact your service provider and ask them to manually disable voicemail. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.